Hello lovebirds, welcome back to my channel. This video here is not for you. This video is dedicated to my solo souls, my single soldiers, those of us that watch our loved ones from the sidelines as they play the game of love. Sometimes they win the Super Bowl, sometimes they use deflated footballs and cheat, and sometimes it just doesn't work in their favor, but we always are there rooting for them. Go Niners. Just kidding, I don't watch no football. We're going to leave the reds and pinks and all those romantics for those lovebirds while we are fierce and fabulous with this smoky eye. If you are interested in this sultry smoky eye, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. Alright, lovebirds and lonely legends, I really do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. So those of you celebrating Valentine's Day, I hope that you have a great one. And those of us running solo, we can definitely partake in the occasion. Here's what we do. We get done up like such. We lay out a spread of food. Make sure that you have a mirror in front of you. You look directly at it and you say, all this time, and all I needed to do was look right in front of me. And then you smash that Chinese takeout. Biatch! You guys know the drill. Full list of products down below, as well as on my Instagram. You can check me out in the first link in the description box, where I post all of my makeup looks with a photo along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. Being in love is the absolute best feeling in the entire world. Homegirl obviously hasn't eaten at a tomorrow party. Oh my god, babe, flowers? Really? Oh my god, you're so sweet. Come on, let's take a photo together, you know? Like, while we're still civil. Jeez, you got me a teddy bear? That is so cute. Here, take a photo of me. No, babe, like, get down. My angle comes from the bottom. Look at this background. Oh my gosh, here. Take a photo of me. Make sure you get the wine glass, okay? Did you take it yet? Hurry up. Because, like, do you see the moon in the background? So retake it. Like, can you see it from here? You can? How about like this? Babe, this background is so cute. Come on, let's take a photo together. But like, while we take it, like, you can just like snuggle on my neck or something so I can post it on IG. The right filters. No, like, come sit next to me. Love. I'm just kidding, all you invested in relationships people. Look, if it doesn't work out and you need a shoulder to cry on, just know that I'm out of town.